Good afternoon, welcome back to Montague Travel. So this is the announcement video. Services are going to be available for 3D printing and consulting, meaning that if you have a special project for your company, business, or it's a personal hobby project at home where you need buildings, units, models, or what have you produced, we'll be more than happy to accommodate you. How this works is that in the description below, I will link you to the different commercial licenses that I own if you have a personal hobby-based project, as well as resources like Thingiverse and other websites where you can go find things under the Common Creative License, meaning that as long as the item is verified that is available for public consumption and use or commercial selling, I'll be able to offer you pricing quoting on getting it produced and to you for use. Meaning that if it says you can use a desktop organizer and there's no royalty fees or anything else that goes back to the original creator, I can add your logo, give you a price quote on production, produce it, and put it in the mail to you. If you're in the Louisiana or New Orleans-based area, it can even be delivered. So thank you for watching. This has been your announcement video.